Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add glow text effect on KineMaster. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project on my KineMaster, and first of all, I'm going to add text to this project. So I'm going to go to the layer and then select text, and I'm just going to type in glow text. Okay, like this, and click on the OK button to add the text to our project. And you can change the font before you add glow effect to your text. I'm just going to choose, for example, wait guys, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to make it bigger. Alright, and then to add glow effect to our text, we just need to scroll down. Oops. Don't forget to click on the text until your text is active, and then you can scroll down until you find a glow menu or glow option. Tap on that and enable this glow effect, and then you can change the color here. I'm just going to apply purple. Okay, and then I'm going to increase the size and also the spread like this. I think I'm gonna go with red color, guys. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create glow text effect on KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.